Guys, in this video, we will be learning how to create NumPy arrays in Python. But before that, we have to see how we can create array using list, right? So array are used to store multiple values in one single variable. Python does not have built-in support for arrays, but Python lists can be used instead. If you see array, so this is a list, right? If you want to print the list, so what we'll do? So for so this is what this is our array, you can say, in form of list. Either you can use list or we have one module in Python that is array. So just import it, array module. If you want to create an array, let me take one this time, dot arrays, right? We are saying it's a integer type of array, okay? And then we are specifying our items, okay? These are our items. So if you want to print this array, so what you have to do, you have to apply I in 3, okay? Then it will come and we will be saying print, leave the space, so 2, 4, 5, okay? Here we have to discuss what is NumPy arrays, right? How we can create NumPy arrays, how we can create ND arrays. Then we will see how we can create different dimension arrays like 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, and then higher dimensional array will be looking. Finally, we'll see few function from NumPy arrays. Okay, I'm going to import a NumPy, but before that we have to see whether do we have NumPy installed on our machine or not. So we have to run command pip and check whether NumPy is installed or not. So this is for listing all the package which are installed at our machine. So if you see, yeah, we have NumPy installed already. That is latest version. So we can use NumPy in our program. Okay. So let me close it down. Okay. If you have not installed NumPy, then you have to use pip install NumPy command on your terminal, right? Or even in command prompt, you have to go. You have to reach to your project folder where your Python is installed, and then you have to type in command pip install numpy. Okay, let me remove this code. Okay, now let's create a array using numpy. Okay, we have to import numpy and we are taking alias, let's say np. Okay, and then we are saying array1 equals to np dot array we have to use, right? Array we have taken and we have to pass elements in form of list. Okay, so this is our list, and if you want to print what is type of this object, so you will get to know, okay, what is this type of array, the object, right? So this is the array we have created. Okay, so this is the type of this array object. Okay, it is referring and the array from NumPy, right? So NumPy actually is used to work with arrays. So array object is NumPy is called ND array. Okay, always remember we can create a NumPy ND array object by using the array function. Okay, this ND array we retrieve through this array function. Okay, this function comes from numpy.core.multiArray class. Okay, so to create ND array, we can pass a list or tuple. We can even pass if you want to pass tuple. So you can pass it also. Run the program again. So it will still show you the type of the array as ND array, right? However, you have using tuple, but it has converted your tuple into the ND array. Okay. Let's see what is the dimensions of array. A dimension in array is one level of array depth, right? Nested array, you can say. Okay, nested array are arrays that have array as their element. So what is zero dimensional array? Zero dimensional array, it's could be a scalars, right? These are the elements in the array. Each value in an array is zero dimension, right? If you want to print and you say np dot array, okay, and you put, let's say 30, okay, and you print array 2, so it will, if you're in the program, so it is zero dimensional array. Okay, only one element is there, right? So we say it's a scalar, right? Zero dimensional array, and each value array is a zero dimensional array in this object. Okay, you will get to know this is a type of same class, right? ND array object. Let's see one dimensional array. So one dimensional array you have already seen. Before that we have passed these elements in form of tuple or list. So this is a single dimension array, one dimensional array, you can say. Okay, this is a type of basic array. Okay, What is two-dimensional array? Array that has 1D array as its element is called a 2D array. What does that mean, right? Means a array containing another array as a element, right? Let me take array 3. Okay. There is another array. Okay. The first element of the array is containing another array. So we can say this is a two-dimensional array. Okay. If you print array 3 type of array 3, so you will get the output like, okay, so maybe we have to make it as a other element, we have to make it as a whole element should be in the dimension, right? When we are using two dimensions, so it means all elements should be two dimensions. We cannot say like another third element of this main array, first dimensional array, we cannot take single, right? It will give us the error, right? Okay. You see, setting an array element with a sequence, the requested array has been in homogeneous shape, right? After one dimension. Okay. So this message is clear. Okay. We cannot do it like this. We can even make it array, right? Another array. Okay. On this element position. You run it, so it will work. Okay. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Got it? So the first element of the one dimensional array is this. Second position of the element this array. The third position is if you want to check three dimensional array. So how you will create three dimension? So let me take another example, 4. Okay, so we'll take it 4 and 4. For third dimensional, you can put it, and this is closed, and this become closed. Okay, so this is now converted to the three dimensional array. You see, okay, okay, you see, it is three dimensional array. If you want to check what is the dimension of the array, so we have one function so that you could check array 1 dot ndim. So ndim, we have the property which actually gives us the dimension. What is the dimension of the array, right? Array 2, array 3, okay, and then array 4. So all array you will get to know what is the dimension of these objects, right? So you will get 1, okay. If we say this is the array 1 is our one dimensional array, and array 2 is a zero dimensional array. Array 3, that is our two dimensional array, okay, and array 4 is our three dimensional array, right? So here we can clearly see how we can get the dimension of the array. Now let's see higher dimensional arrays. What is higher dimensional arrays? An array can have any number of dimensions, right? When the array is created, you can define the number of dimension by using the nd min, okay, nd min argument you can use, and we can define our dimension on the array, okay, which dimensions it could be created. So if you take the example of first, we take one, okay, we'll see, and then I'm putting as a list, okay, you can put anything, and we have one and the min, okay, this argument we have here in array, and we can say it could be 3, okay, it could be three dimension array. And we will see, let me take 5, 5, 5, okay, let me run the program and then see what will the output. Okay, so you see, so it created three dimensional array. Okay, so three dimensional array, you see, so how it created, right? Three dimensional array was created like this in the same format, right? You see, in the same format it created. Okay, there were three items. If you want to make it, let's say, one dimensional array, right? So it will create one dimensional array like this array 2. Okay, you see, so your one dimensional array like this. Okay, so here you can define Okay, which type of dimension you want to create with array, with this array function from NumPy module. Okay, so we have covered high dimensional array we can easily create. Now let's see a few NumPy methods, how we can get the advantage from those methods. Let me remove it. Okay, this one, and let me run it again. Okay, to clear the output. Okay, so first function that we have, that is numpy dot empty, right? So numpy offers several functions to create array with initial placeholder content. So this minimize the necessity of growing array, right? Okay, so for example, np zeros, np empty, okay, like this, np zero, okay, you see zeros, or np dot empty, right? So this we can use, right? So what is the parameter for this method? Actually this takes the shape first as an argument, then second it takes data type, it could be integer or float, and order equals to whatever c, right? Returns a new array to give shape, type, and with random value, right? So if we take empty array, right, from empty, and I'm saying that could be, let's say my shape could be 2, d type would be, let's say, integer type. So if you print array 1, so it will create you the empty array. This is two dimensional array, yeah, this is two dimensional array I'm saying. Okay, if we want to create 3, 3, so it will create you two dimensional array as a, but those are the random numbers, right? It took, okay, 3 3, the matrix is 3 3. Okay, you see the matrix is 3 3 inside the array. Okay, so this is the purpose of empty. You can create empty arrays anytime. You can define which type of matrix 3 by 3 you are going to put. Okay, and you are saying which type of data it should be carrying with. Okay, so that is first method. If you talk about the zero method, so let me take array 2 equals to np dot 0. Okay, so here we have again shape, data type, okay, and the order, right? We'll be taking, let's say, 2 as a shape. Okay, so it will create 0, okay, inside the matrix. You see 0 0, right? This is the one we have seen, two elements create 0 0. Okay, if we say it should be 2 by 2 matrix, then it will create you 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, a two dimensional array and 2 by 2. Okay, let me take 3, this two dimensional array with, there are so many other methods. If you want to try, we have arrange method, reshape method. So if you want to use, you can try yourself. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any query, you can leave your query in the comment box. So we will try to cover those query in our upcoming videos.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.